Getting started with ApsaraDB RDS for SQL Server. RDS instances can be set up in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Create an ApsaraDB RDS for SQL Server instance. Log on to the ApsaraDB RDS console. In the left side navigation pane, click Instances. In the top navigation bar, select a region, then click Create Instance. Configure the parameters such as billing method, database engine, and instance type. For more information about the parameters, see the official documentation. Read and select Terms of Service, and click Pay Now to complete the payment. In the Complete step, click Console to go to the Instances page to view the instance that is being created. Step 2. Create an account and a database. Click the Instance ID to go to the Instance Details page. In the left side navigation pane, click Accounts. On the page that appears, click Create Account. Configure the parameters such as database account, account type, and password. Click OK. In the left side navigation pane, click Databases. On the page that appears, click Create Database. Configure the parameters such as database name, supported character set. Click Create. Step 3. Configure a whitelist. In the left side navigation pane, click Data Security. Click Create Whitelist. In the dialog box that appears, configure the whitelist name and IP address as parameters. If you want to connect your client to the RDS instance over the Internet, set the whitelist name parameter to the public IP address of the client. If you want to connect your client that is deployed on an ECS instance to the RDS instance over an internal network, set the whitelist name parameter to the private IP address of the ECS instance. You can also click Loading ECS Inner IP to add the private IP address of the ECS instance to the whitelist. Click OK. Step 4. Connect to the RDS instance. In the left side navigation pane, click Database Connection. If you want to connect to the RDS instance from a client, you can establish the connection over an internal network or the Internet. If you want to connect to the RDS instance over an internal network, copy the values of the internal endpoint and internal port parameters. If you want to connect to the RDS instance over the Internet, copy the values of the public endpoint and public port parameters. Click Log on to Database. In the Log on to Database instance dialog box of DMS, enter the values for the database account and database password parameters. In this example, DMS is used to connect to an instance. Click Test Connection. After a message indicating that the connection is successful is displayed, click Login. Refresh the page. In the left side navigation pane, click Instances Connected to view the connected instance. Now you can start your journey with ApsaraDB RDS for SQL Server.